Alright guys, today we're gonna harvest our potatoes, and as you can see, the leaves are definitely crispy, not really looking the best, kind of looks a little awful right now, but it is kind of hard to tell because I planted like a lot of potatoes, but I think these 4 are ready, but these 2 probably in like a few more weeks, like maybe around June 16, somewhere around there, because they're not looking as bad as these ones. So instead of talking about them, let's go ahead and harvest. So I'm probably just gonna split a line and got my tarp, so if these potatoes are ready, then hooray. If not, we'll have to wait. So let's get a scoop, and I believe I planted these like around March, so yeah, hopefully we get some good ones. As you can see, the roots are pretty good, and I planted like 1 potato, well 4 potatoes, didn't even cut or anything, so we'll see. How things look. So far, I'm not really seeing any on the surface level, so it might be deep down there. So yeah, but I'll come back if I find any treasures or anything. It's never mind. I think I'm gonna just dump a few or leave it. Look at that! Look at that potato! And that one! But they're kind of tiny, so I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. But I think I found one. That's decently small potato. Not much that we can use it for. But yeah, I might get a little container. So far we found about 4 good potatoes. I just had to harvest this one. It just naturally came up. But I did chop the leaves off because obviously they're useless at this point. But yeah, I don't know. Here's another. Ooh, that's a good potato. That's a good one. 4. It's like going Easter hunting. Oh, here's some good ones. That's a good one. Sorry if the camera's a little weird. I'm doing this on my phone, not on my tripod. So, yeah. I might leave a few. But if this is all what we get, that's a little disappointed. Might look. These ones I think are the Idaho potatoes, because look, these ones are brown. I wonder if I just pull, what will happen? I definitely feel a tug. It's after some more investigating. Looks like we got loaded with potatoes. It looks like I got a little more than I thought. So it looks like I just planted some red potatoes and Idaho or brown. Dang. Look at that. Any more? Yeah. There's a buttload. Well, glad I saved these potatoes. And these are all grocery store potatoes, so yeah, I might save those to regrow. But look at this. We got some more. The Idaho ones I'm gonna save, so I don't really know how those will react. But we're halfway done. Oh, I know that one of them did unfortunately rot because I saw one. Where? I don't know. Here's another tiny Idaho potato. It don't look like there's much. You know what? I'm just gonna dump the rest and hope. Great, guys. Well, this was all the potatoes that we got from our first ever potato harvest. So after 3 months, that was pretty good harvest. So let's go wash these up. And I did replant the potatoes just to see what will happen, because you know there was still a few on them. So hopefully we get some more Idaho potatoes, and obviously these will go right to the compost and restart on potatoes. Thanks to my garden, just literally harvest these fresh potatoes from the potato container, and I got about maybe 1 pound worth of potatoes, but there's still some more, so yeah, exciting. After our 1 pound worth of potatoes, let's go ahead and wash all of these off. So after we have cured our potatoes, so now we're just gonna wash all of them and then store them for about a week before we can actually like use them, just so they can last longer. But dang, these are a lot of potatoes. The Idaho ones are probably, these 3 are probably my biggest ones. These 2. But yeah, you just want to wash these, store them in a dry, humid place so they can be better. But yeah, let's get to washing. Right after we wash these, we want to store them in a dark place for 1 week. But yeah, let's get all the dirt off and see the natural colors. So I'm just gonna let these soak for a few to get the dirt off of them and whatnot. But yeah, after washing them, look how much brighter they are than before. like I said, you want to store these in a nice location.